Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to handle visibility and access in Replit. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up the app which you want to do this for. And then if you come here and click on the app's name, you'll see we have two options. We have public and we have private. So you can go ahead and choose the Replit app's visibility first. So if you want it to be a public app, anyone can go ahead and view this app and they can share this. They can go ahead and run the code, the project, and this one will be private. Only people with a specific link or if they're invited can go ahead and run it. I'll also show you how to go ahead and give access control. So if we come here and click on this person with the plus icon, we're able to invite collaborators. So if I click on this, you can see I have one collaborator they have invited. I can go ahead and revoke access. So I click on this X icon, I'll remove this member. So as you can see, this person has been removed and this app itself right now has a private join link. So if I go ahead and copy this join link, I share it with people, they're able to join and collaborate with me. If you want to revoke access to your link, you can click here and generate a new link at any point in time, and people with the old link can no longer access it. Only the new link will be able to be accessed. And of course, you can turn it off entirely. So if we toggle this one off, no one will have the link to go ahead and join and edit the files. But that is how to handle visibility and access in Replit.